As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Char-Broil Classic and the Napoleon Phantom Rogue. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, huge. The Char-Broil is like $139, and the Napoleon is $1,249. What are you planning on grilling? A whole cow?
Haha, no, but I want something reliable. The Char-Broil has 2 burners and a side burner, 20,000 BTUs total. Cooking area is 280 square inches.
Okay, the Napoleon is way more powerful. It's got 4 main burners plus an infrared rear burner and an infrared side burner. It cranks out 20,563.5 watts, which I guess is way more BTUs than the Char-Broil. The cooking area is 570 square inches.
Wow, that's a significant difference. The Char-Broil is pretty small, only cooks like 12 burgers at once. Is that Napoleon like a whole outdoor kitchen?
Almost. It's got stainless steel cooking grids, folding shelves, fancy stuff, and a 15-year warranty. The Char-Broil warranty is only 5 years on the burners and less for everything else.
Good point about the warranty. So the Char-Broil has porcelain-coated wire grates. Easy to clean, I guess. What about the Napoleon?
Stainless steel. More durable, probably heats more evenly, but might take a little more elbow grease to clean. The Napoleon also has a rotisserie burner.
A rotisserie? Okay, that's tempting. But for everyday grilling, is it overkill? The Char-Broil is simple, has a grease tray and a side shelf.
True, the Char-Broil is simple and the side shelf is gear tracks ready. But the Napoleon has locking caster wheels and battery-free ignition. I am not sure what gear tracks are.
Tough call. The Char-Broil is Amazon's choice and has tons of reviews. The Napoleon only has 1 review, but it's 5 stars.
Yeah, but look at the build quality. The Char-Broil is made in China, and some reviews complain about assembly being a pain. The Napoleon is... well, it doesn't say where it's made.
Okay, so the Napoleon is definitely the luxury option. More features, more power, longer warranty. The Char-Broil is basic, affordable, and good for small spaces.
Exactly. It depends on what you want and how much you're willing to spend. If you are planning to grill a whole cow, or maybe a turkey, go for the Napoleon.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.